Hey guys, Luke James with Ag Leader. I want to talk to you a little bit about SureForce, our hydraulic downforce and uplift solution. If you have a planter like this, a box planter, and you fill this thing all the way up with seed, think about all the extra weight you have on the row unit. What happens as you're planting across the field? That weight's reduced, right? Because as you dispense seed, you lose weight. So imagine this even further. If I had a 3-bushel hopper extension on here, I've got 150 pounds when I start with. If I'm planting through the field with a traditional downforce system, so say I got springs on the side or I have an airbag right here in the middle, I get to an area where maybe it's a lighter soil or maybe it's a little moist. If I have all this weight and all that downforce, it's going to plow this into the ground, and I'm going to be planting either too deep or I'm going to be really compacting the sidewalls on that. Or vice versa, if you think about it the other way around, after I dispense all the seed and I lose all that weight, if I get into a compacted area or tighter soil, what's going to happen? That row unit's going to start to ride up. I'm going to lose my planting depth, and I'm going to get some uneven emergence and some late emergers, and I'm going to have a yield hit on that because I've got that unevenness across my field. So the benefit of the SureForce actuator is we can apply downforce and uplift based on that row unit's needs, so we can always ensure they're planted at the right depth.
AgLeader offers the most complete package of innovative precision farming tools. Visit agleader.com for a dealer near you.